Today we take you inside the Sollant Air Compressor factory to uncover the story behind the air compressor production. Shanghai Sollant Air Compressor was established in 2004. Now has over 20 years history. Our factory covers more than 30,000 square meters, and it is the equivalent to 64 basketball courts. And we have 4 production lines producing tens of thousands air compressors each year for customers all over the world. The wall you will see here is filled with the photos of our. The entire wall is dedicated to our patents. Each patent represents the innovation, expertise, and dedication of our R&D team, reflecting Sollant's continuous commitment to technological advancement. The field workshop you see is our pipe bending workshop. Every day we bend many pipes for our air compressors, and this is our pipe bending machine. The workshop we are currently in focuses on small air compressors. These models are compact, flexible, energy efficient, and easy to operate, ideal for a wide range of applications. Next, you'll see our large machine workshop. The air compressors produced here are larger and more powerful, designed for high performance and long-term continuous operation. Whether small or large, every production line follows the strict manufacturing procedures. Each air compressor and 3 sites assembly and testing before it is approved for delivery to our customers. Factory production depends on reliable components. This is our past warehouse, where a wide range of components are carefully stored to ensure the efficiency and stable operation of every Sollant air compressor. Quality is the lifeblood of the Sollant factory. In this testing area, every air compressor is thoroughly tested for pressure, stability, and noise levels, ensuring that only reliable products leave our factory. Units that pass all tests are stored in our finished goods warehouse, awaiting packing and shipping. This area serves as a temporary staging zone to ensure an efficient and organized shipping progress. After production and testing, the compressors move to the packing area. Each unit is professionally packaged to ensure safe transportation and prevent damage, guaranteeing on-time delivery to our customers. You can see our factory and equipment, but you can't see our dedication and perseverance. This commitment enables the Sollant to provide efficient, energy-saving, and reliable air compressor solutions continuously. If you are interested in Sollant, please feel free to contact us.